In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Loop components. Welcome to this tutorial where we're diving into the useful world of Microsoft Loop components. These components are designed to make your collaboration and productivity soar by offering real-time editing and sharing capabilities. Whether you're working alone or as part of a team, knowing how to skillfully navigate and utilize these components can truly change the game. First things first, you'll need to gain access to this innovative tool. Start by heading to the Microsoft Loop website. Upon arrival, you'll notice an option to sign in. Click on this and you'll be prompted to enter your email and password. Once you've entered this information, simply hit next and you're in. It's as easy as that. Now you've successfully accessed your dashboard, but where do you go from here? Your page is your command center in Microsoft Loop. It's from here you'll start creating, sharing and collaborating using Loop components. Think of it as your creative playground. You can navigate through your documents or start something fresh directly from this spot. Next up, let's talk about finding and using components within Microsoft Loop. If you're looking for a specific component to add to your document or conversation, simply type per inch, followed by the name of the component you're hunting for. Not sure what you can search for? Don't worry, when you type per inch, a drop-down menu will appear, suggesting various components available to you. This can range from tasks, notes, links, files, and much more. This shortcut is designed to save you time and streamline your workflow, so take full advantage. Once you've located the component you wish to use, the next step is to click on it. This will automatically insert the component into your document or chat. Now you're ready to begin collaborating. Share your document with co-workers or friends who can then view and edit the component in real time. It's collaboration made incredibly simple and efficient. Remember, Microsoft Loop components are not just about adding content, they're about engaging with it dynamically with your team. Experiment with different components to see how they can best serve your project or conversation. The real beauty of Loop is the way it brings your team's work together in one seamless, interactive space. And that's a wrap on the basics of using Microsoft Loop components. With just a few clicks, you've unlocked a powerful tool for real-time collaboration and productivity. Practice what we've covered today, and soon, integrating these components into your daily workflow will feel like second nature. Here's to elevating your collaborative efforts to new heights with Microsoft Loop. Thanks for watching.